Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to recover your Pokemon Go account without any username or email. First of all, tap open Pokemon Go app. Then you will be redirected to a page something like this. Select your birth date and tap on submit. After that, you will be tapping on returning player because we want to recover your account. Then we can see a can't sign in button on the right lower corner of your screen. You have to tap on that. After tapping, you will be in a help care website of Pokemon Go. Then you'll have to scroll until you find change or reset your password title. After you find it, you'll have to see for the first option, which is Pokemon Trainer Club. In the point Pokemon Trainer Club, you can see the last sentence, which is you can reach Pokemon support here. You'll have to tap on here. After that, you'll be redirected to a page something like this and you'll have to scroll until you find general information. After you find it, tap on it. After tapping, you'll be redirected to a page something like this and you'll have to scroll to the bottom of your page until you find Contact Us. After you find Contact Us, tap on it. After that, you'll have to give your information, your email which you have the access to right now, your first and last name, the subject. Select the type of Pokemon.com issue you're having. Select others. After that, you'll have to select the browser you're using. After you select it, you'll have to give the description of your problem. After you've given your description, you can attach any screenshots you have and finally tap on submit. After that, your request will be successfully submitted and you'll get an email from Pokemon support and you'll have to do as the email says. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.